we're at 562 A Belvedere. We're in Coal Valley on Belvedere between Parnassus and 17th Street. Okay, so to get to this unit, you walk down this side passage. There's a gate that we just walked through out at the sidewalk that I have propped open, but normally that's closed and locked. Okay, here you are coming into the unit. Apartment A. You'll see there's wood floors throughout. We have a really great updated kitchen here. New fridge, dishwasher, disposal, gas range, microwave, granite countertops. Got a kitchen island here. Please excuse all my paperwork. Okay, and it's open to the living room. Okay, here we are looking back at the kitchen. We have electric wall mounted heat here. And then as you come into the bedroom, you'll see the bedroom's got another electric wall mounted heater. So in this bedroom, I think you could do a queen size bed best. You could do a king, but I feel like a queen would fit the room most comfortably. Double closets with sliding doors. Okay, and then there's a back door here into the garage. There's where the shared laundry is for the building. This is a 5-unit building, so shared coin, washer, dryer. And there's the trash bins. Here, let me check what the rate is here on these. Okay, so there's the rate for the laundry. And just know that there's somewhere out here to hang up a bicycle, but that I don't have a parking space for this unit. So this unit would be street parking only. All right, and here's our linen closet. Built in here. And then here's the bathroom. So we have a shower over tub. Tile floor in here, pedestal sink, and a mirrored medicine chest. Okay, and then there's the fan. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. Please don't apply based on the video alone. We do want you to come visit in person before submitting an application. Okay, thanks so much for watching. And again, this has been 562 Belvedere. I'll give you a little street view here and then we'll sign off. Okay. Oh, and incidentally, for street parking, it is neighborhood permit J, like John. Okay. There's Sutro Tower. And this is what the exterior of the building looks like. Thanks so much for watching.